Welcome, awesome people! Faceless digital marketing allows businesses to succeed without relying on personal branding. Focusing instead on value-driven content, automation, and anonymous branding techniques. From YouTube automation channels and e-commerce stores to social media and meme pages, faceless brands thrive by delivering consistent, high-quality content that audiences trust. It's scalable, eliminates burnout, and breaks geographic barriers, appealing to global audiences. Tools like Canva and Google Ads can amplify efforts, while anonymous branding through logo, testimonials, and a clear mission enhances credibility. It may lack personal relatability. Faceless marketing shines in niches where value trumps personality. Perfect for introverts or those scaling multiple ventures, this strategy proves you don't need a face to make an impact, just creativity, strategy, and a focus on delivering solutions your audience craves. So, discover more in my article in the description below. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.